The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, welcome back. In the previous classes, we learned how to find out the prime factors of numbers. Isn't it? Now, today let us learn how to write prime factors in a different way. Okay? Here, find the factors of 48. Here 48 divisible by 2. Here 24 times. 24 divisible by 2. 12 times. 12 divisible by 2. 6 times. 6 divisible by 2. 3 times. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4 2's and 1, 3. So here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, here factors with 2 solutions. So here 2, 1 times 2. Okay. So here 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Next 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16. Okay. Factors with 3's, only 3. Okay. Here factors with 2's and 3's. Okay, so here 2 into 3, yes, 6. 2 into 2 into 3, 12. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 24. Next one 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 48. So here total number of factors is equal to, what is the common factor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 16, 6, 12, 24 and 48. These are the factors. Okay. Here 48. Here number of 2's 4 times, number of 3 1 times. Okay. So here no 2, 1 2, 2 2's, 3 2's, 4 2's. Here no 3, 1 3. Okay, so here what is no 2? 1. Here no 3. No 3 also 1. 2 in the 3 in the multiples in varavu. So here no 2 means 1. 1 2, yes, 2. 2 2's means 2 into 2. 4. 3 2's means 2 into 2 into 2. 8. Okay. Next one 4 2's. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 16. Okay. So here 1 3. 3. 1 3 and 1 2. 3 into 2, Okay. Next, 1 3 and 2 2s. 3 into 2 into 2 means 12. Next, 1 3 and 3 2s means 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. 6 into 2 12 12 into 2 yes 24. Next, 1 3 and 4 2s means 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So what is the answer? 48. Okay. Next one, 144. Number divisible by yes 2. Here 72 times. 72 divisible by 2. 36 times. 36 divisible by 2. 18 times. 18 divisible by 2. 9 times. 9 divisible by 3. Yes, 3 times. Okay. So here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. 2 4 times and 3 2 times. Okay. Next one. Here no 2 1 2 2 2s 3 2s 4 2s. Here no 3 1 3 2 3s. Here number of 3 2 times. So here 2 3s. Okay. So here no 2 and no 3 is 1. Okay. So here 1 2 and no 3 2. Here 2 2s and no 3. 2 2s means 2 into 2 4. Next 3 2s and no 3 is 2 into 2 into 2 8. Next one 4 2s and no 3s means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 16. Okay. Here 1 3 and no 2. Okay. So here 3. Here 1 3 and 1 2. 3 into 2 yes 6. Next one 1 3 and 2 2s. Here 12. Next one 3 2s and 1 3. 24. Next 4 2s and 1 3. 48. Okay. Here 2 3s and no 2 means 9. 3 into 3. Next one 1 2 and 2 3s. 18. Next 2 2s and 2 3s. 36. Next one 3 2s and 2 3s. 72. Next 2 3s and 4 2s. 144. Okay. So here factors is equal to 1 is the common factor 1 2 4 8 16 3 6 12 24 48 9 18 36 72 and 144. These are the factors of 144. Next one 720. 720 divisible by 2. Here 360 divisible by 2. 180. Next one 180 divisible by 2. 90 times. 90 divisible by 2. 45. 45 divisible by 3. 50 times. 50 divisible by 3. 5 times. Here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So here number of 2's 4 times, number of 3's 2 times, number of 5 1 times. Okay. 1 2, 2 2s, 3 2s, 4 2s. Here no 3, 1 3, 2 3s. Okay, so here no 2 and no 3, 1. Here 1 2, 2, 1 2 and no 3. Okay, next 2 2s and no 3, 4. Next one 3 2s and no 3s. So here 8. Here 4 2s and no 3, 16. Okay, next one 1 3, no 2, 3. Next one 1 3, 1 2. So 3 into 2, 6. Next one 1 3, 2 2s, 12. Next one 3 2s, 1 3, 24. Next one 4 2s, 1 3, 48. Okay, next one 2 3s, no 2s. 3 into 3, yes, 9. Next one 2 3s and 1 2. Here 18. Next one 2 2s and 2 3s, 36. Next one 3 2s and 2 3s, 72. Next one 4 2s and 2 3s, 144. Okay, here no 5. 5 also one factor. നമ്മളിവിടെ 5ൻ്റെ ഒരു ഫാക്ടേഴ്സും എഴുതിയിട്ടില്ല. ഓക്കെ, 5നെ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഹിയർ നോ 5. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് 5 കൂടി ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് എഴുതാം. സോ ഹിയർ 1 5. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഹിയർ no 3, no 2. Here 1 5. So here 1 into 5. 5. Next 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 4, yes, 20. 5 into 8, 40. 5 into 16, 80. Okay, next one 1 3. So 5 into 3, 15. 10 into 3, 30. Next 20 into 3, 60. 40 into 3, 120. Next 80 into 3, 240. Okay, next one 1 5 and 2 3s. So 15 into 3, 45. Then 45 into 2, 90. Then 45 into 4, 180. Then 45 into 8, 360. Then 45 into 16, 720. Okay, these are the factors. So here factors is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 3, 6, 12, 24. Next 48, 9, 18, 36, 72, 144. The next 5, 10, 20, 40, 80. Next 15, 30, 60, 120, 240. 45, 90, 180, 360 and 720. Okay, these are the factors. Here number of factors is equal to 30. Okay. we know how to find out all the factors of 64. Here, without writing down all the factors, can we just find the number of factors? Okay. So, here 64. So, 64 divisible by, yes, 2, 32 times, yes, 2, 16 times, yes, again 2, 8 times, again 2, 4 times, 2 times. Okay. So, here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2. Okay. So, 1 is the common factor of all numbers. So, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So, number of factors is equal to 7. Okay. Next one, 243. Okay. So, here 243, this number divisible by, yes, 3. Here 81. So, this number divisible by 3. Here 2 times, 7 times. So, here this number divisible by, yes, 3. 9 times, 9 divisible by, yes, 3. So, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3. So, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So, here number of 3 is 5. So, 5 plus 1. 1 is the common factor. So, here 6 factors. So, number of factors is equal to 6. Okay. Next one, find the numbers of factors of each of these numbers. Here first one, 500. 500 divisible by 2. How many times? 250. 250 divisible by 2. Here 125. 125 divisible by 5. Here 25 times. 25 divisible by 5. 5 times. Okay. So, here 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. So, here number of 2's is equal to 2. 2 times 2. So, 2 plus 1 is the common factor of all numbers. So, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Next one, number of 5's. Number of 5's 3. 3 plus 1 is the common factor. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. So, here total number of factors is equal to 3 into 4. What is 3 into 4? Yes, 12. So, total number of factors 12. Okay. Next one, 700. 700 divisible by 2. So, 350. 350 divisible by 2. 175. 175 divisible by 5. Here 35 times. 35 divisible by, yes, 5. 7 times. Okay. So, here 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 7. So, 2 2 times, 5 2 times, 7 1 times. So, here number of 2's is equal to 2 times on. So, 2 plus 1 is the common factor. So, 2 plus 1, 3. Next one, number of 5's. Number of 5's, yes, 2 times. So, 2 plus 1 is the common factor. So, 3. Next one, number of sevens. How many times? How many times? 1 time. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. Total number of factors is equal to 3 into 3 into 2. So 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So factors of 700 is equal to 18. Okay. Yes children, this is the last part of chapter. I hope all of you have understood well. That's all today. Thank you.